Hello everyone, so in this video we will learn how to automatically send unique coupon codes to your customer directly from Google Sheets. So the idea is that if someone fills out the Google form, he will be getting an SMS from me containing a coupon code. But the issue here is there is no direct connection between Google Forms, Google Sheets and SMS sending apps like Twilio. So that is why I will be using an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that integrates Google Forms, Google Sheets and Twilio. The best part here is a person without any technical background can perform this integration easily. Now before I show you the steps, how about we begin with a real-time example. Okay, so this is my Google form and this is my Google Sheet containing the data of coupons. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a dummy submission by a guy called as 𝙃𝙖𝙫 and see whether 𝙃𝙖𝙫 will receive an SMS with the coupon code. So what I'm going to do here is we have a guy called as 𝙃𝙖𝙫 and this is the email address 𝙃𝙖�34@gmail.com. So this is the phone number of 𝙃𝙖𝙫 and he will be getting an SMS on this phone number containing the coupon code. This is the age of 𝙃𝙖𝙫. Let me just straight away click on submit. So the submission has been made by a guy called as 𝙃𝙖𝙫. So let's have a look. Let's have a look whether 𝙃𝙖𝙫 has received an SMS containing the coupon code. Okay, so as you can see, this is the SMS that 𝙃𝙖𝙫 has received. Hello there 𝙃𝙖𝙫, thanks for sign up. This is your coupon code 𝐶GHCHU. Please use it to avail 20% discount on any products in our store. So this coupon code 𝐶GHCHU is basically from here. Okay, this is the coupon code that was present in my Google Sheet. So you must be thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from Google Forms to Google Sheets to SMS sending app like Twilio? As I mentioned earlier, we are using an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that integrates Google Forms, Google Sheets and Twilio. So to begin the process, in the new tab, just type pabbly.com, 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 press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. All you have to do is just click on sign up for free. Here you can build your own account in just 2 minutes. In my case, I have already built an account, so let me just straight away click on sign in. Okay, so this is the app section of Pabbly. Let me just scroll down and here you will find Connect. Just click on Access Now. At the top right corner, you will find a button, Create Workflow. Click this, a dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm planning to give it as Google Forms to Google Sheets to Twilio. Now here we are using Twilio to send the SMS. Now if you have any other SMS sending apps like T7 Networks, SMS Horizon, you can also use the same. The process is almost equal. Okay, Google Forms to Google Sheets to Twilio. Of course, you can give any name according to your choice. It's totally on you. And let me just straight away click on create. So when you click on create, you will find two windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. Now in the trigger window, since we plan to send the data first from Google Forms, let's make it as Google Forms. Google Forms it is. Now in the trigger event, how about make it as new response in spreadsheet. So new response in spreadsheet is a trigger event. So you have two questions here. First question is, why the hell are we working on incognito mode? And the second question is, why the trigger event is new response in spreadsheet? It should be something like new response in Google Forms or new submission in Google Forms. Why new response in spreadsheet? To explain you better, let us straight away go to a Google Forms. So this is a Google form that I have built, CG Comic Store, and we have the same fields, name, email, phone, as well as the age. So we plan to receive the data from this Google form. Now the idea is that once the form is submitted in this particular Google Forms, the data of that response will be automatically sent to Google Sheets. And from Google Sheets, we will be receiving the data into Pabbly Connect. And from Pabbly Connect, it will be sent to SMS sending app like Twilio. If you don't get it, just follow my leads. So we have the last field, that is for the age. We click here and make sure that this field is mandatory. And after that, we are going to work with Google Forms, Google Sheets. So straight away go to response and here you will find the icon for creating a new Google Sheet. So when we click here, you have two choices, create a new spreadsheet, select existing spreadsheet. Basically, it means we have to create a new spreadsheet associated with this Google form so that when a response is submitted, the data will be automatically entered in that Google Sheet. So let me just straight away click on create. Okay, so now it is now showing that it is creating a Google Sheet. Yes, a Google Sheet has been created. So this is the Google Sheet associated with this Google form. Whenever a submission or a response is made in this Google form, the data will arrive automatically here. Okay, so what we are going to do here is we are going to receive the data from this Google Sheet. So to begin the integration process, first of all, just click on add-ons. So when you click on add-ons, you will find an add-on called as Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Now, since you're beginning fresh, Pabbly Connect Webhooks might not have been installed yet. So first of all, just click on Get Add-ons. Okay, so when you click on Get Add-ons, Google Workspace Marketplace opens up in front of you. In the search, just type Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Pabbly Connect Webhooks, this one. Okay, so as you can see, the button is showing Pabbly Connect Webhooks is already installed in my system. So all you have to do is just click on this button and install Pabbly Connect Webhooks add-on in your Google Sheet also. Now there is a very important thing that I have to mention. After installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks, do not forget to refresh your Google Sheet. I repeat this again. After installing Pabbly Connect Webhooks, do not forget to refresh your Google Sheet. Okay, excellent. So I'm assuming that you have installed Pabbly Connect Webhooks and also refreshed your Google Sheet. So there is an important thing I have to mention. So as you can see, column E is our last data entry column. I repeat this again. Column E is our last data entry column. So let me go back to add-ons, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, just click on initial setup. So this is the window of initial setup. Here we have to fill two fields, the webhook URL as well as the trigger column. So this is my webhook URL. I'm just going to copy this. Okay. This is my webhook URL and I'm just going to paste it here. Easy. Then we have the trigger column. The trigger column is always the last data entry column. I repeat this again. The trigger column is always the last data entry column. In our case, the last data entry column is column E. So I'm going to mention the trigger column as column E. So let me just straight away click on submit. Okay, there is one minor thing we have to do. Go back to add-ons, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, just click on send on event. So this will ensure that anytime column E is filled, it will keep on sending the data to Pabbly Connect. And Pabbly Connect is now ready to capture the data. Okay, it is already showing, it is waiting for the data. So what we're going to do here is we are going to make a dummy response once again, dummy submission once again. Okay, I'm sorry, we should go to the preview. Okay, so I think this is the one. Okay, now yeah. So let me just cancel this. So this is these are the details. So we have a guy called as 𝙏𝙤𝙬𝘼𝙀. Okay, that's the name. We have the email 𝙏𝙤𝙬𝙀𝙆123𝑣𝑟t@gmail.com. And let me just add a phone number. So this is the phone number of 𝙏𝙤𝙬𝘼. Okay, let me just remove this. Okay, and the age of 𝙏𝙤𝙬𝘼 is 23. And the submit button has been pressed. Okay, so the submission has been made by a guy called as 𝙏𝙤𝙬𝘼. So let's have a look. First, do we have the details of 𝙏𝙤𝙬𝘼 in our Google Sheet or not? Yes, this is the time when this submission was made. This is the name 𝙏𝙤𝙬𝘼. And then we have the email address 𝙏𝙤𝙬𝟑𝑣𝟑𝑟t@gmail.com. Then we have the phone number and of course we have the age. So the last data entry column, that is column E, has been filled. So let's have a look. Let's have a look whether Pabbly Connect has captured the data because Pabbly Connect is integrated with this Google Sheet. Yes or no? Yes, we do have the details. We have the timestamp, we have the name 𝙏𝙤𝙬𝘼, we have the email, we have the phone number where we will be sending the SMS with the coupon code. And then we have the age and then we have the row index. Okay, so we have got all the data. Now we have to work with coupons. So this is my coupon sheet and there are only two columns. Okay, the coupon code as well as the status. So as you can see, we have three status as yes, yes, and yes. Okay, so this was the last coupon that we had sent. And once this coupon was sent, the status automatically changed from no to yes. Initially, all the status was yes, but now it is changed to initially all the status was no, but now it is all these three because these three coupons has been sent. The status has been changed automatically to yes. So the idea is very clear. We don't want to send the same coupon to a person that has been sent already. Okay, no two same coupons will be sent to different people or the same person. We are going to send each time a unique coupon. So that is why we will be making a condition that if the status is yes, that coupon won't be sent. If the status is no, that coupon will be sent. So since let's assume that we are going to work with this Google Sheet for the first time, so I'm just going to change all of them back to no. Okay, so we will understand better. So at present, none of the coupons has been sent. Okay, the status is no, 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 up to the last coupon, that is no. Okay, all of the current status is no. So what we're going to do here is we want to make sure that the details of these coupons are available in Pabbly Connect or Pabbly Connect. So first of all, let me go to Pabbly Connect, and in the action window, let me just select the choose app as Google Sheets. Google Sheets it is. Now in the action event, how about we make it as lookup spreadsheet row. So basically we want to work with an idea that if the status of the coupons is no, only those coupons should be available in Pabbly Connect. So let me just click on connect with Google Sheets. Okay, so we are going with this account, so we have selected it. Okay, this is because this Google Sheet, that is a new coupon sheet, is present in this account. Okay, so let me just straight away click on continue. Okay, so the authorization is successful. Excellent. So we have by default the select spreadsheet as new coupon sheet. So now as you can see, these are all the spreadsheet that is present in my Google Drive or my Gmail account. I'm interested in this sheet, that is new coupon sheet. And by default, it is showing the select spreadsheet as sheet 1. This is because there is only one sheet, that is sheet 1. Okay, so that's there. Now we have to figure out the lookup column. Okay, so the lookup column that we are interested in is column B. Okay, so what we are going to do here is we are going to mention the lookup column as column B. Okay, that's done. Now the lookup value, the value that we are interested in is no. Okay, so basically it means that it will send the data of all those columns which has the status as no. Technically, as you can read here, the response will only return 3 such rows only. So only the first 3 rows will be sent. Okay, but it's okay. We only want at present we basically want only 1 row, but it is managing to send 3 rows. Okay, so the status of all these columns, all these rows are no. So when I click on, okay, so there is one more thing, include header in response. It basically asking a question, should I include this part? I'm going with false. And there is one more thing, that is sort value. The sort value, we have choices that should it ask or should it look from the bottom or from the top. I prefer I get the value or sort the value from the top. Okay, we have choices top and bottom. We are going with top. So when I click on save and send test request, it will fetch me the details of those rows which has the lookup value as no. That is basically this, technically all of them, but it will only return 3 rows. This row, and this row. So let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so as you can see, we have the value of the first row. Okay, so this is the value of the first row, 𝐶GTYHU. Then we have the row number 2. This is the row number 2, 𝐶GUGILN9. So this is the one, and then we have the third one, 𝐶GHCHU. So we have got all the 3 rows containing the status as no, no, and no. Excellent. Now what we are going to do here is we are going to send this coupon, the first coupon, to the respondent. Now the respondent is, okay, if you remember, the respondent is 𝙃𝙖𝙀. And to send this coupon via SMS, we are using Twilio. Now of course you can use any other SMS sending app like D7 Networks or SMS Horizon. The process is almost the same. Now in the choose app, let's select Twilio. Twilio it is. Now in the action event, how about make it a send SMS message? Just simply click on connect. We are going with a new connection, and we have the account SID, authorization token, and once again account SID to fill. So these are the 3 fields that we have to fill before we send an SMS via Twilio. So let us go to Twilio. Okay, so this is my Twilio account, and let me just go to settings. Okay, so this is my settings page. Most likely it will ask me to authorize. Yeah, it is asking me to authenticate. So once again, let me just enter my password. So this is my password that I'm going to enter. Of course, I'm not going to tell you my password. Okay, and let me just straight away click on verify. Okay, so the account has been verified. Excellent. So what's next? So now we are going to get our account SID. Now here we have 2 choices in case of API credentials, the live credential as well as the test credentials. So we are going with the live credential. So I'm just going to copy the API key, account SID, and I'm going to paste it here. Now the same account SID has to be pasted here also. So we have pasted it. Then we have to enter the authorization token. So to get the authorization token, let me just remove the privacy and once again copy this, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the account SID, authorization token, and once again enter the account SID. So let me just straight away click on save. So when you click on save, you have 3 fields, the body of the SMS, the sender number, and the recipient number. Let's start with the recipient number. Now, if you may remember, we have got the data of 𝐿𝐼𝐺, and this is the phone number of 𝐿𝐼𝐺. Okay, if you don't remember, let me show you where did we get this data. So this is the data, that is the phone number. We have got the phone number and we have mapped it, but this is not complete. As you can see, it is demanding that before the phone number, you should enter the country code. And I'm working from India, and this is the country code of the sender, +91. Now we have to enter the sender number. So this is the sender number. This is something that I actually got from Twilio. Now, if you're working from Twilio, so this is the sender number. Okay, let me just map the sender number. Just copy this. This is the sender number. I'm just going to copy this. Okay, the sender number is basically my number, and I have pasted it here. Easy. Now we have to work with the body of the SMS. The body is hello, and the name 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Thanks for filling out the form. Here is your coupon code. And let me just add the coupon code. Now this is the coupon code. Okay, this is the coupon code. Okay, this is the first one, and we have mapped the first one. Excellent. Hello 𝗪𝗵𝘆, thanks for filling out the form. Here is your coupon code. So when I click on save and send test request, it will send this data to the mobile of 𝗪𝗵𝘆. So the response is a positive one. Let me just straight away show you the SMS that 𝗪𝗵𝘆 has received. So let me just show you the message. Okay, so this is the message or the SMS that 𝗪𝗵𝘆 has received. Hello 𝗪𝗵𝘆, thanks for filling out the form. Here is your coupon code, CGTYHU. Okay, so this is the coupon code. Excellent. So what's next? So as you can see, the status has not changed. Okay, but this will be a problem because the same SMS will be sent once again if the status is not changed from no. So what we are going to do here is we have to ensure that since this coupon code has been sent, the status should be automatically sent to yes. Okay, definitely not no. Okay, if we keep the status as no, it will once again send this coupon code to somebody else who has submitted the form. We don't want that. We don't want us two different people having the same coupon code. That would be weird and problematic. So what we are going to do here is we are going to make sure the status is changed from the default no to yes. So let me introduce one more window. I promise you this is the last window. And in the choose tab, let me just add Google Sheets. Google Sheets it is. And now in the action event, how about we make it as update a cell or update a row, this one, because basically we want to update this row. That is why. Simply just click on connect. We are going with a new connection, connect with Google Sheets. Okay, so this is the account that we are interested in. Okay, just simply click on continue. Okay, so the authorization is successful. Excellent. So by default, once again, we have the select spreadsheet as new coupon sheet. The sheet as sheet 1. Okay, this is the sheet, new coupon sheet, and this is the sheet, sheet 1. Now we have to enter the row index. So if you know this, this is the row index, that is row number 2. So we click here, and this is the row index, that is 2. We have mapped it. Then we have the coupon code. So this is the coupon code that we were working with. This is the one. And now the status has to be changed from the default no to yes. Okay. So let me just click on save and send test request. Okay. Yes. As you can see, the coupon code has been changed from default no to yes. Okay. So if you are not getting the picture, what we are going to do here is once again, we are going to make a form submission. Okay. So let me just click on submit another response. And this time we are going with a guy called as Selena Gomez. So these are the details, and let me just add the phone number. Okay, so let me just remove this, and the age is 23. Okay, so let me just straight away click on submit. Okay, so as you can see now, the status will be changed to yes, this one. Yes, as you can see, the status has automatically changed to yes. This is because the coupon code has been sent as an SMS. Now I hope you got the picture. Now these two coupons won't be sent to anyone because the status is now present as yes. Okay, only those status with the status as no will be sent as an SMS containing these coupon codes. So these are the ones that are fresh, and these are the ones that has been stale, that has been used or given to someone else. So if you now, before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So let me just minimize this action window, and let me just minimize this action window, and let me just minimize this action window, and let me just minimize the trigger window. So basically, this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated Google Forms to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect. You have received the data of all those cells containing the status as no. Basically, we have got all the coupon codes with the status as no. Then you have composed a message and sent it as an SMS via Twilio. After that, you have updated the row of those columns of those rows whose coupons has been sent. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Google Forms, Google Sheets and Twilio. Excellent.